Hello students, I am Vipul Mittal, and in this session I will discuss risk assessment procedures and internal factors. So you are the auditor and you are auditing the financial statements and you perform risk assessment procedures to obtain an understanding of the entity, its environment, including its internal control, and this includes obtaining an understanding of various internal factors. So you perform risk assessment procedures to obtain an understanding of various internal factors. And when I'm saying internal factors, I mean three things: organization structure, and ownership, governance, and business model. So you perform risk assessment procedures to obtain an understanding of various internal factors. And these internal factors are organization structure and ownership, governance, and business model. So you obtain understanding of organization structure and ownership. So you understand how complex the organization is, complexity of the organization. So whether it includes subsidiaries or not, what are the various divisions, components at various locations, various branches, who are the owners, what is the relationship between these owners, what are related party transactions, what are significant related party transactions. You obtain an understanding of the organization's IT environment, that how complex is the IT environment, what is the structure of the IT environment, are there multiple IT systems, how well they are integrated. Is there any external service provider? Are some of the IT services outsourced? What is the flow of transactions in the IT environment? All right. You obtain an understanding of governance. So people who are charged with governance, I'm talking about those charged with governance, are they also involved in management? Is there any subcommittee, subgroup such as audit committee? What are the responsibilities of those charged with governance regarding approval of financial statements? What are the responsibilities of those charged with governance regarding internal control? What are their responsibilities? So you obtain an understanding regarding governance. You also obtain an understanding regarding business model. What is the organization's business model? What is the scope of activities? What are the various different activities organization is involved in? What are the different products organization is selling? What are the different services organization is providing? In which all markets organization sells its products? What are the different types of customers organization deal with? Different processes organization has. So it has financing process, operations, investments, different processes, different resources it has. What are the different resources organization has? Financial resources, human resources, talking about people, workforce, intellectual property. What are the various resources organization has? Technology, how well various processes are integrated with IT. I'm talking about understanding business model. So the auditor performs risk assessment procedures to obtain an understanding of internal factors, both at the financial statement level and at the relevant assertion level. I have discussed risk of material misstatement in another video. Do watch that video. All right, students, we'll connect again. Goodbye.